Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Happy New Year! If you're new here, welcome, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Hope you guys had a very merry holiday season, safe and healthy. And welcome to the new year. So I need to work through some of my stash. I have way too much stuff. That's going to be one of my goals this year, is to buy less, use more of what I got, because I really don't need any more. It's just the stuff that comes out is new, but I still have tons of paper that I could still just use without buying new stuff. Anyway, so I do have a lot of Stamps of Life card club kits that I have not started. Probably around 10. I know! They're all just sitting in the envelopes waiting for me to play with them. And so to help me work through them a lot faster and not being totally creative, I'm going to use sketches to help me bang through those and replenish my card supply, because it seems like throughout the year I'm always running out of birthday cards and thank you cards. So that's probably what I'm going to focus on today. Okay, here are some of the other dies that I will be using for the shapes. And I've gotten these from various stores. If they have the packaging, I know where they're from, or I left the label. Otherwise, I'm not sure where they're from. But those will be all the other dies that I use as well. Okay, so these are the cards that I made with the kit. I'll go through them one at a time. The insides are blank, and I just stamped my personalized stamp on the back. These, like so.
So, here's one, and the inspiration was from the Stamps of Life website, as well as this. These were all inspired from a card on the Stamps of Life website. So I made a few of the same type, just different colors. So I'm just going to speed this up.
And there's that. So we got 1, 2, got 17 cards out of that club kit. I could get more. I still have a few more papers. I'm just done with the inspiration on you know, this card kit. So 17, not bad for a good start for the beginning of the year. So hope you guys like the video. If you guys have questions, comments, you can leave them down below. I hope you guys are having a great start to the new year, like I said. And I hope you consider subscribing and sticking around to find more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas!